prevent dehydration while road biking. Biking is good exercise for the body. This is something that you can do regularly to keep yourself in shape. You can sweat a lot when biking, especially during the summer time when the heat is high. You must learn how to keep yourself hydrated if you do not want to suffer from heat stroke. Sweating can cause dehydration, so you have to replace the liquids that are lost in your body when you go biking. Learn how to prevent dehydration with a few simple tips. Bring electrolyte drinks. People mostly rely on water to avoid getting dehydrated. When you are biking, the best way to prevent dehydration is to drink electrolyte drinks such as Gatorade or other sports drinks instead of water. When you sweat, water is not the only thing lost in your body. You also lose potassium, sugar, and sodium. Electrolyte drinks have these elements and can replace the ones lost when you perspire. Bring a bottle or two of Gatorade when you go out biking. Drink when you are not thirsty. When out biking, drink the electrolyte drink every few minutes. You have to do this even when you are not thirsty. Being thirsty is a sign that you are already becoming dehydrated. You have to replace the fluids in your body while sweating to prevent getting dehydrated. Drink more than you sweat. To keep your body hydrated, you have to drink more than you sweat. For long bike rides, you must prepare bottles of electrolyte drinks with you to ensure that you have enough to last you for your whole ride. Do not wait for the symptoms of dehydration to set. You must be responsible enough to drink to ensure that your body is still hydrated. Avoid the heat. As much as possible, avoid biking under the harsh heat of the sun. It is best to do your biking early in the morning when the sun is not yet too high. This way, you can also get a good dose of vitamin D from the morning sun. You can also bike late in the afternoon or in the evening when there is a lesser chance of being dehydrated. Bring a water bottle. Bring an extra water bottle that you can use to pour or splash water on yourself. Fill the water bottle with cold water. You can also prepare the water bottle by filling it halfway with water and putting it in the freezer overnight. When you go out biking, fill the iced bottle with water to bring it with you. Whenever you feel too hot, you can just splash on some water on your face and neck. This will keep you cool and refreshed while you are biking. Follow these tips and to prevent hydration while you are biking. If the heat of the sun is extreme during the summer, opt to bike at night to prevent getting heat stroke. Also, Remember to use sunscreen whenever you go out biking to protect your skin from the harsh rays of the sun.